Hello friends, this is Commander Dr Natarajan from AFPA, Armed Forces Preparatory Academy, Nagpur. And today I am going to talk about a candidate named Praneeth. And before I go on to him, I would like to share this good news with you that AFPA has produced or contributed 26 candidates to NDA 144 course, and these 26 candidates were found to be in the merit list, and I am really joyed to know this number. AFPA came about only in March 2018, and within a short span of time, AFPA has been producing wonderful results for the nation. And this couldn't have been possible without the faith that you all have reposed on us. And I would like to thank you all for following AFPA, for coming and gaining from AFPA. And I'm sure with this achievement, we will rededicate ourselves and produce many more success stories in the future. Now, what is so great about Praneeth? Let me share his story, okay? And I'm sure it's going to be inspiring. Praneeth was a student of Sainik School, Korakunda, and when he was in his 12th, he came to AFPA to do SSB training, and he was the head boy of his school, and a very humble, simple, cheerful kind of a personality Praneeth is. And he trained with us and went to the SSB, and he got selected in his first attempt. And when the merit list came, he was All India AIR ranking 92. He was a die-hard Air Force aspirant, and after his SSB he went for his medicals, and unfortunately he was declared unfit because of some issue in his spinal cord. He went for the appeal, he went up to the Air Force Air Headquarters, and though he had given the second choice as Navy and the third choice as Army, unfortunately he was declared unfit for all three. And when I spoke to him, he says the doctors there were not sure of the standards required for Navy and Army, and hence they declared him unfit for all three. It was such a heartbreaking episode. So he came back, and he decided to go for the Army TES, Technical Entry Scheme. He was a bright student. He had done well in JEE mains, and based on which he got a that time it was not JEE mains for Army TES, it was 12th board, so he had done well. So he got a call and he went there, and to his horror and our surprise, he got screened out. Now what? This boy, normally would have been heartbroken, right? And perhaps he would have decided to look for some other opportunities, career opportunities, and he would have proceeded further. But no, Praneeth was not that kind of a boy. Okay, Praneeth gave his NDA again. Okay, and he cleared the NDA, went to the SSB, and he was conferenced out. Imagine, third setback. A guy who was AIR 92 in his first attempt, second attempt he gets screened out, third attempt he gets conferenced out. Even then he did not give up. He again applied for the TES, and this time he made it, and he was AIR 30. Okay, in the merit he was 30th serial in the merit. So everything was done, so he would have happily joined the Army. He would have been pursuing his BTech, but imagine his situation. There was a very short notice for him to join the academy, and that was when his father became sick. He was unwell, and Praneeth, being the eldest son, having a younger sibling, younger sister, there was nobody at home to look after his father. So he managed his father's health. He went to the hospital, he took him whatever, he got him the treatment, and because of which he could not join the OTA. Okay, this was the fourth time, as if destiny was against him, against his joining the defense services. And I think at this point at least somebody would have broken down and somebody would have changed his career line. But that was not the case with Praneeth. Praneeth bounced back. He again gave the NDA entrance examination, that was 2 of 2019. So obviously he had to take 1 year drop. But see the sheer perseverance of this boy. He again gave NDA 2 of 2019, and he made it in the SSB this time. And the merit was just declared about 2 days back. and Praneeth was All India ranking 3. Isn't that a great achievement? 4 unsuccessful attempts, one after the other. A bright boy from Sainik School, Korakunda. There's nothing to say that he doesn't fit into the forge. He was groomed like that. He was made like that. And 4 attempts, once medically out, once screened out, one conferenced out, and 4th attempt he made it again, but could not join because of his father's ill health. And 5th attempt, he is All India ranking 3. I really pray to God that he doesn't create any such circumstances in front of this young boy which will prohibit him from joining the NDA this time. And I am sure, I am hopeful that he will be entering the gates of National Defence Academy with the same familiar smile on his face. Why I was narrating his story? A lot of us, I have seen many defence aspirants, they just give up. Please understand, this is sheer determination. And you see his confidence, okay? TS AIR 3, that was his 4th attempt, and he could not join. And see his confidence that he bounced back, right? So that is one essential quality of a military leader. Please understand this. Failure means nothing. Failure should give you that courage or that increased vigor in you to bounce back and prove yourself better this time, right? So this is a message that I want to send across to all defense aspirants. If you're going to give up and if you're going to, lose hope, then let me tell you, you are a hopeless candidate. Okay, you're not fit for forge, right? So you should remain focused, determined, and every next attempt you must do your best, better than the previous attempt. And once you approach like this, I'm sure your success will be yours. You will find the most, what you aspired for, you will find that. You will get it. There is nobody who cannot get it. It is just that we give up. And we give up, some give up in the first attempt, some give up after the 2nd, 3rd attempt, and some don't give up till the 25th attempt. In the history of SSB, there is one candidate who made it in the 25th attempt. Imagine his perseverance. Imagine his, passion to get what he wanted. So don't give up. You may have failed in the entrance test. You may not have done well in the SSB. Doesn't matter. Introspect where you went wrong. Find what resulted into this debacle and bounce back. Once you do that, nothing can stop you. And this is my word. Right? Thank you guys. Jai Hind. And let us all pray and wish Praneeth a great career ahead. I am sure he is going to climb up the success ladder faster. And he will catch up with his batchmates who may have joined in the first attempt itself. Thank you. Jai Hind.